Let's go. All right. So my intro's not coming.
You're listening to The Unstoppable Show, a podcast that inspires listeners to do what they thought was once impossible. Hi, my name is Gilbert Patino, and I'm here to help you, to motivate you, to push you, to show you that it can be done, and nothing is going to stop me. Let's go.
Yo, what's up, man? I know it's been a minute, but here you have me, man. And today we are talking about credit. Credit. We're talking about credit. We're talking about finances, and I'm here to help you. If you have any questions, let me know. Of course, all my videos, man, they're on Facebook, they're on TikTok, and they go straight to my YouTube channel, Keto is Life TV. I've always been into keto, the keto lifestyle. I still am to the keto lifestyle. I'm a keto coach, and well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make another channel, and it's gonna be basically on business and motivational and just stuff like that. But some of y'all, man, y'all been reaching out to me and stuff, and y'all been wanting me to help y'all fix y'all credit. But when it comes to paying the monthly payment, you guys disappear. You don't want to do that. You have to pay something. I'm sorry. I don't know anybody in this world that works for free. So you have to pay something. The thing about it is, come on, you're paying less than $100. And right now, it's not only just for you. You can bring your spouse. So I think that's awesome. You know. Well, a lot of us, we feel that, man, we don't need credit. I got money. Money's king and everything. And you know what? That probably was true back in early 2000s or something, or even before then. But credit is everything. You need credit. You need credit. All these dealerships, and I mean, look how hard of a time you get when you're trying to purchase a house if you don't have good credit. You know, if you don't have good credit, you're not gonna be able to get that house you want. But if you have good credit, you got that option to get that house, or you can get that house, or you can get any house. Now, everything I say is from I already went through it. I remember when I had bad credit. I had my credit was terrible. I mean, I couldn't get nothing. Um, it was bad. I was always going to the hospital and stuff like that. So my credit had a lot of hospital bills. I've always thought that, I didn't have to pay that. I didn't have to pay that. My mentality was wrong, and the way I was thinking about stuff was wrong. And today my credit, I haven't checked my credit, but last time my credit was at 719, 720, which is good, which is in the green. It's good. My wife's credit is at 800, you know. And honestly, man, to get a house, if you're at 680 and above, you're able to get that house you want. But if you have your credit and your credit's at what, 7, anything lower than 7, then no, you won't get the house you want, and you're gonna get that letter and say, "We're sorry, we can't approve you at this time," and everything. I know you're tired of those letters, because I was so tired of those letters. But now I get letters saying, "Man, you know what? You've been pre-approved. Open this account and everything. And I got credit cards, but I got the right credit cards. What I mean by the right credit cards is that I don't um, I don't overmax them. I'm not gonna max them out or nothing like that. That's bad. And I make sure if I open credit cards that I'm paying them before and everything. And that's what I'm here to tell y'all right now today is I'm gonna break it down to y'all how you're able to pick up your credit, your finances, how you're able to make extra money, and how you're able just to come up, because we all want to come up, So how you're able to come up and stuff, and that's what I want to do. I'm an entrepreneur. I have several businesses. I've been, for people that don't know me, I've been, you know, self-employed, working for myself for over 20 years. And I can help people get there, man. I can help. There's a lot of times people they think they have to work that 9 to 5. And I'm not saying something's wrong with it. I'm just saying to let you know that you can do whatever you want in these days. You can do anything in this time, anything. You got YouTube, you got TikTok, you got my channel, you got other channels, and you could do anything you want to do. You can do anything you want to do, but you got to set your mind to it, and you got to stop having fear, and have faith instead of fear. Well, there's one thing that I'm gonna tell y'all right now that y'all can do. Y'all can go to Bank of America, and this is the way I want you to approach Bank of America. Either Bank of America, Capital One, let me see, Bank of America, Capital One, and there's another one that are really good banks to work with. It'll come to me right now. There's several, and they'll give you a chance. And what you want to do is you go over there and you tell them, hey, you know what, my credit, I'll be honest with you, my credit's not always been good. It could have been because of your previous marriage or whatever it was. Let them know. Be honest with them and then tell them, hey, look, I'm not trying to waste your time or waste my time. I have money to put into my bank for to show I'm trying to build my credit up. So if you can do something, I'm willing to put. You want to put. I honestly say you should put $500 into a secure credit card. $500. It shows that you're serious about it, And the reason why you need a secure credit card, because your credit's bad. First of all, your credit's terrible. And when I say that in general. Or you might not have enough credit develop, or they might see a bunch of hits that you already took. But you putting your money in their bank, that's your money. They have nothing to worry about, because if you lose your money, you lose your money. But let them know, go over there and tell them. I had somebody that I'm helping go to Bank of America, and they told her that, all you get is put $200 in it, right? And anyway, so they send her a couple of days later, they send her a letter, say, sorry, we couldn't do it. If she would have went in there and not listened to the teller, not listened to the lady, not the teller, but not listened to the bank advisor, whatever it was, and just said, hey, I want to put $500 into this secure credit card, into a secure credit card or something, then they would have done it. I'm sure they would have done it. But, you got to understand, these bankers, it's bonuses, it's this for them, it's a job. So you just got to make sure when you go in there, you got to let them know. And if Bank of America doesn't do it, then guess what? Capital Bank somebody's going to do it for you. They're going to do it for you. But you got to be honest with them. Let them know before they go and pull your history and see it and everything. They'll give you a chance. They will give you a chance. But you got to ask for that chance, and you got to let them know. So that's one thing you can do. The other thing you can do is you can go to what's called Cons. Go to Cons and get you something small. And when you get something, I'm not telling you to go over there and get a refrigerator or get a stove or anything like that. But if you need one, hey, then go get it. If they give it to you, I don't think they will give it to you. But I know you can go over there and get something small. Tell them you want to start building your credit. Be honest with them again. Tell them, hey, you know what? My credit is pretty terrible. I'm really serious about fixing my credit. Whatever you guys can give me out your store, I'm willing to pay it. When you start paying them, you're going to pay them, and then 7 days before it's time to pay your payment, or a month before, whatever you want to do, just make sure you don't pay it off. And you just want to show that history that you're paying them, You don't want to pay them too early, but I would say maybe like 2 weeks or 3 weeks before, you'll be okay. and it will show that you're being responsible and you're paying this. Okay? And once you do this, then you're going to get a bigger item. And you're going to do the same thing. Another thing you can do is go get you a loan. And when I say go get you a loan, I'm not talking about a payday loan. I'm talking about get you a personal loan. And make sure that they go through the credit bureaus. Make sure that they apply that. They apply all your information, to make sure that you are getting credit history, that they are showing what you're doing. The same thing with them. You pay them 7 days or a few weeks before it's time, before they're ready for their payment. And make sure they report your credit. Make sure they report to the bureaus. Now, what happens is your credit starts going up. And I'm telling you from what I did, this works. This all works, But you can't do this on your own. You can only do so much on your own. And then you're going to need a professional and someone to help you. And I can help you. A lot of times I feel so bad for people because people call me and they text me or they message me or they DM me. Whatever they do, they get a hold of me. Free, I need my credit fixed. And they're ready to get their credit fixed. And I make it so simple for them. I say, you know what, here, I'm going to send you to my Facebook group, and you're going to see, go in there, see what we do and everything. And, if it's a fit, then we'll go from there, and I'll tag you on a small short video, and you'll see the video, Sometimes they don't even want to look at the video. Sometimes, you know what, I need to know right now. If you can't look at a video that's a couple of minutes, if you can't look at a small video, a short video, how do you expect to get help? How do you expect? Sometimes people's priorities are so fast, and I understand that you want to get things done. And then there's other people that what they say, oh my God, how do I know this is not a scam? And I'm like, scam? Really? People that say it's a scam are people that do not want to fix their credit, that do not want to come out their pocket. Now, don't get me wrong. I know that a lot of scams go on and stuff like that. But if you know me, and you know what I'm about, then you know that I ain't going to mess my credibility or my reputation or anything like that out of scamming somebody. And then this is the big thing. What do I get out of scamming someone that does not have good credit? What do I get? I get zilch. I get nothing. You see, I'm trying to help a lot of you. And right now, if you're watching me right now, you might be somebody I'm trying to help. You might be somebody I'm trying to help. I know I can do it. If you got a business and you need an LLC, I can help you get your LLC, where you're just going to pay the $300 to the state. You can't get away from paying $300 to the state. You have to pay $300 to the state. And to get an LLC, you have to pay somebody to file it for you and everything like that. I'll show you how you would not have to do that. And I'll make sure everything comes out right. Everything's going to be perfect. I have my LLC. And if you need a loan, if you need capital, I ain't gonna say loan, but if you need a capital, hey man, I can help you with that. So whatever it is that people might need, I can help you. And if I can't help you, I got other options that can help you. I got other people that are in the business that can help you. Or you could just stay having bad credit. If you think, let me talk to these people right here. Okay. So for the people that have been renting apartments, right now apartments are going for like $1,600 a month. It depends on where you're at. Some going $1,600 a month, some are going $1,800, some are going $2,200, $2,400, $2,300 and higher and up. Right? It's never going to be yours. You're never going to benefit from it. And you got to worry about your neighbors. It's too loud. You can't park there. You know, you got so much things to worry about. Assigned parking. You got this. You have that. Apartments are the worst. Why? Because I lived in apartments. Now, I'm not downing anybody that lives in an apartment. I'm just saying that if you need help to get out that apartment, I can help you. You know, I can help you. I can help you get into a house. You know, when we first got over here to my house, my credit wasn't good, but I helped my wife build her credit. You know, so my wife's credit's good. We've been in this house ready for, I want to say maybe 18 years or 19, 18 or 19. One of them two. I can't remember. But we've been here a long time, you know. And, you know, we can go buy another house. We might buy another house later on. You know, we might buy when the houses go down, because right now the house is so high. But when the houses go down, we might go buy another house. Now, when you have an apartment, you can't do that. You're not gonna be able to get nothing out of your apartment. Nothing. They get most of it. You don't get nothing. You know. You get a house, you can live in your house, and then you can sell your house. You know how much houses are going for right now? It's incredible. Speaking of selling your house, if you want to sell your house, and out there, if you want to sell your house, or no matter what the situation is, maybe pretty much anything, you want to sell your house, let me know. Me and my wife, we buy houses. My partner, we flip houses, you know. So whatever it is you want to do, some people, they go through foreclosures and they lose their house, and then their credit goes bad. And that happens because they don't know how to get out of it, what to do. So they let it go, and they let it go with the bank, and the bank takes their house, and their credit's bad, right? Well, I can help you from that. And you'll make good money. You'll make really good money. You know? So today we are talking about helping you with your credit. You know? That's what we're talking about. Helping you with your credit. This got too big. Let me bring this down. There we go. Bring this aside. All right, we're good. Helping you with your credit, you know. And this got too big right here. It's covering me all up, boy. Cover me all up. So I gave you some tips on how to fix your credit. And if you do have someone that has really good credit, tell them to put you on their credit card. To put you on their credit card. Maybe you can call your sister, maybe you call your brother, maybe you call your aunt, someone that has good credit. If you can get them to put you on your credit card, on their credit card, just your name, like, hey, give you an extra credit card, it's going to them. That's going to help you out tons. That's going to help you out a lot. You know, it would help you. At the same time, you'll have your own secure credit card out, and open a savings account. Open you a savings account and start putting money into your savings account. See, what you're doing is you're showing the bank that you're responsible, and that, you know, you're doing something to build your credit. And once you do that, everything would get better for you. Then you'll better buy that house you want. Right now, I'm working with some people right now. I haven't posted yet, but I have somebody closing on a house. And this was, I've been working with them already for about probably going on 6 years, 6 months. And their credit, you know, got good enough. And I got some realtors friends that you know, they make things happen. But they do have to have some good credit. You know, they might not have to be real strict on credit, but they do have to have some good credit. And that's what I come in. I make phone calls and I call them and let them know, because I ain't a realtor yet, but I'll be a realtor soon. You know, I'm doing that too, man. I'm right now trying to finish my test off, man. You know, learn. You know, before I go take my test. Close that door, please. Before I go take my test, and you know, study. But I'm just doing so much because it's hard to study and stuff. But I'll get it done. And well, guys, man, I do a lot of things. What I've been doing lately is I'm focusing one day on that whole business, and then focusing or a couple hours on that business, and then focusing a couple hours. If you do need any of my services, all you gotta do is this cue card right here. All you gotta do is just run your phone camera over it, and it'll pull all my information up. Or you get all my information on here, and I will help you. But let me see who we have over here. Shout out to everybody on TikTok, man. Appreciate y'all. Shout out to everybody on Facebook. And shout out to everybody on YouTube that's watching me right now. Again, man, if I can help you, I'm here to help you. But credit, actually good credit is everything. Good credit is everything. If you do not have good credit, you do not got, I hate to tell you, but you don't even have it's not good. It's not good because you could only do so much with money. You can't go into a dealership and say, I got $50,000 and I want to buy this car. You go to dealerships, you have $50,000. They need to investigate why you got that $50,000. Where'd you get that $50,000 at? And then, but if you go into the dealership and you have really good credit, it's a whole different story. They tell you, know what? Get whatever you want off this lot. Whatever you want off this lot, get this yours. Just whatever you want. If you got good credit, tell you know what? You don't have to worry about it. I want that house, but that house, I don't know if they'll give it to me because it's too big. You get that house. You get anything you want. If you got good credit, guess what? You can open that business. If you got good credit, you can get your LLC. You can do so much with your, but you have to have good credit. Credit is where it all falls at. It all goes back to having good credit. Now, if you're interested in getting your credit fixed and getting it boosted and getting repaired, and at the same time, I don't just help out with people with their credit. I help people with their finances. I show me and my company show you how you can save money. Now, who doesn't like saving money? We show you how you can save money on your taxes and your bills. I used it, so I know it works. That's why I was able to buy my Benz because I showed my wife, you know what, we're saving money over here, and I had to prove to my wife. My wife's the type of person that she doesn't like spending money. She'll say that we don't have it, and I know damn well we do, but she'll say we don't have it, and it's good because they ground me. We can balance each other out. But what I'm getting at is everything is based on credit. Everything's based on credit. So if you got good credit, then you can have a lot of things. Life can be very, very good for you with credit. When you got good credit, you ain't got to worry about nothing. Nothing. Credit is king. It's straight up king, man. I go to the store, if I want to get that credit card, I get that credit card. And that's another thing. Don't go and once you start getting your credit fixed, don't go get all them credit cards. Don't get all them credit cards. I'll tell you what credit cards you can get. You want to get credit cards that are going to help you, where you're able to get points, where you're able to get something back from them, whether it's money, whether it's plane tickets, whether it's flying, you can fly, whatever it is. That's what you want to do. Those are the credit cards you want to get. But anyway, guys, man, where we at? We're at 24. I'm going to do one more minute and I'm going to jump off, man. Guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you need to reach me for any credit tips or any credit advice, financial advice, I do so many things, guys. I'm a certified life coach. Whatever you need me for, I do a lot of things and I'm here. And just reach out to me. Don't be afraid to reach out to me. My telephone number is 832-715-2557. You can find all the information right here with this cue right here. Just put your camera over it and you get all my information out, guys. And you know what? Be serious about it before you call me. Do not waste my time. I don't want to waste yours. And I could change it up for you guys. I can help you with your credit. I can help you with your finances, and we can put you in a better place. We can put you in a better place. We can get you that house you want. We can get you that car you want. We can give you that life you want, that credit you want. Whatever it is, I can help you with it. We do have to work, and we do have to work, and we have to work on it. You know, it don't happen overnight. It's not, everybody's credit's different, so this might happen for them in less time, and this might happen for you less time. Now, in my business, hey, I sign you up. There's no contract. Once your credit's fixed, you can cancel anytime. And I keep it 100% with you, transparent. So, you know, that's how easy it is. Hey, guys, man, I really appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much, man. I hope y'all enjoy this little small video. I usually stay on here longer, but I'm about to jump off. Got too many things to do. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Again, if you need your credit repaired, if you need your finance, we just sit down and talk about your finances. Not too long ago, my company was able to help me lower my light company, because light bills really high right now. But I was able to do that. I was also able to my AT&T, drop my AT&T bill down. This is all real, guys. This is all true. And I can help you. Hey, man, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much. Y'all be blessed. Until the next video. Bye-bye. God bless. Fix your credit.